Welcome to Graphics One Digital Academy. Today we will cover the gofu's handheld system use. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to view more Go Digital Academy videos, or visit Graphics One website to find more video quick links. To apply the gofu solution, you will need Fuze solution, a handheld spray bottle, a 100% cotton t-shirt, an acrylic plate, a small paint roller or a squeegee, and polyester fabric. Insert the acrylic plate inside of the t-shirt. Stretch and fold it, this way you will have an even surface to apply the solution. A piece of cardboard can be used to apply the gofu's on the imaging area. Pump the bottle and spray the gofu solution. Use 1 milliliter per 10 square inches, this is equivalent to 65 square centimeters. Using a small paint roller or a squeegee, gently push the solution into the fibers of the t-shirt. Remove the acrylic plate. Set up your heat press at 365 Fahrenheit. Place the t-shirt on the heat press plate. Use parchment paper and the polyester fabric on top, to prevent yellowing in the cotton. Press to dry for 10 seconds, to fuse the solution to the fabric. Set the t-shirt aside, and print your image on our Go ETDS printer. With nothing on the heat press, preheat for 30 seconds, with the same temperature to heat up the bottom platen. Take the t-shirt, and place it on the heat press. Center the image on top of the t-shirt. Place only the polyester fabric on top. Press for 70 seconds at 365 Fahrenheit. Let it cool down and then peel the image from the t-shirt. Now your 100% cotton shirt is ready. When washing, do it inside out. Thank you for staying with us. Please stay tuned for more Graphics One Digital Academy videos. For additional information, please visit us at www.graphicsone.com. Send us an email to sales@graphicsone.com, or call us to 1-818-260-9591.